Discover the 6 best citizen watches for men of 2025. I've done extensive research and reviewed countless models to bring you this list. Check the link in the description for more details. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Citizen Men's Classic Quartz Watch. The Citizen Men's Classic Quartz Watch. A timeless piece that effortlessly blends style, precision, and durability. With its elegant polished silver tone design and a striking blue sunray dial, this watch commands attention. The bold stick indices and day-date window add a touch of sophistication, making it ideal for both casual and formal occasions. Crafted with a 40mm stainless steel case, this watch features a durable mineral dial window that ensures long-lasting clarity, protecting the dial from everyday wear and tear. The 3-link stainless steel band provides a secure, comfortable fit, with a convenient fold-over clasp that's easy to use. With a water resistance of up to 30 meters, it can handle splashes or brief immersion, though it's not suitable for swimming. Setting the time is simple. Just turn the crown to the left to adjust the date, and to the right for the day. The Citizen Men's Classic Quartz Watch, where precision meets style. Number 2. Citizen Quartz Men's Watch. The Citizen Quartz Men's Watch, where timeless elegance meets reliable performance. Powered by Japanese quartz movement, this watch delivers precise timekeeping you can trust every day. Featuring a classic 3-hand analog design with an easy-to-read day-date function and the flexibility of 12 24-hour time format. Crafted from premium gold-tone stainless steel, this watch exudes sophistication. Whether you're at the office or a night out, it's the perfect accessory for any occasion. With a 30-meter water resistance, this watch is built to withstand splashes, making it both practical and stylish. Protected by a durable mineral crystal, the Citizen Quartz Watch is designed to last. And with a 5-year limited warranty, you can enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. Citizen Quartz Men's Watch, where precision meets style. Number 3. Citizen Men's Classic Eco-Drive Leather Strap Watch. The Citizen Men's Classic Eco-Drive Leather Strap Watch, where timeless design meets modern innovation. Designed for versatility, this watch seamlessly transitions from work to play. With its classic 3-hand movement and a convenient date function, it keeps you punctual, stylish, and always in control. The watch features a sleek gold-tone stainless steel case, paired perfectly with a durable leather strap that offers both comfort and elegance. Whether you're in the office or out on the town, its minimalist design adds a sophisticated touch to any outfit. Protected by a durable mineral crystal, the watch is designed to withstand daily wear while maintaining its polished look. Water-resistant up to 30 meters and backed by a 5-year limited warranty, the Citizen Men's Classic Eco-Drive Leather Strap Watch is more than just a timepiece. It's an investment in quality. Number 4. Citizen Quartz Men's Watch. The Citizen Quartz Men's Watch, where timeless style meets dependable functionality. Crafted with precision, this stunning timepiece features a round silver tone case and a striking white dial. The minimalist stick indices and luminous hands ensure that time is always easy to read, even in low light. A convenient mini date window adds a practical touch, while the 39mm stainless steel case offers durability without sacrificing elegance. The croco-embossed leather band adds sophistication, secured by a buckle closure, providing both comfort and style for any occasion. Water-resistant up to 50 meters, this watch is suitable for short periods of recreational swimming, perfect for those spontaneous moments. Powered by a Japanese quartz movement, the Citizen Quartz Men's Watch keeps you on time with reliability and class. Whether at the office or out on the town, it's the ideal companion. Number 5. Citizen Men's Eco-Drive Weekender. Bryson Chronograph Watch. The Citizen Men's Eco-Drive Weekender Bryson Chronograph Watch. A perfect fusion of luxury, innovation, and style. Crafted from silver-tone stainless steel, this watch exudes sophistication while offering unmatched durability. Its striking ivory dial contrasts beautifully with the luminous hands, ensuring visibility even in low light. The Bryson Chronograph features a precise 1 to 5 second chronograph that measures up to 60 minutes. Whether you're tracking your workouts or just keeping time, this advanced function ensures accuracy. With 12 24-hour time formats and a convenient date display, it offers both practicality and style. And thanks to its 100-meter water resistance, you can wear it confidently, no matter the environment. Complemented by a rich brown leather strap, this timepiece balances rugged appeal with refined elegance. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty, the Citizen Eco-Drive Weekender Bryson is more than a watch, it's a statement. The Citizen Men's Eco-Drive Weekender. Bryson Chronograph, where innovation meets luxury. Number 6. Citizen Men's Eco Drive Weekender Garrison Field Watch. The Citizen Men's Eco Drive Weekender Garrison Field Watch, a timepiece built for adventure. Designed with a military-inspired look, this rugged yet stylish watch is ready for anything your day throws at you. With its 3-hand display and convenient day-date function, it keeps you on track, no matter where the journey takes you. Powered by Citizen's Eco Drive technology, this watch harnesses the power of any light source, so it never needs a battery. Water-resistant up to 100 meters, the Garrison Field Watch is as tough as it is versatile. Durable, functional, and backed by a 5-year limited warranty. The Citizen Eco Drive Weekender Garrison Field Watch is your perfect companion for every adventure. Citizen, powered by light, never needs a battery.